Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about our 15th day review. Sorry for that. I was busy in my exams, therefore I could not update on daily basis, and now it's been my 15th day in this journey in passive income program. So whoever did not follow me before, so I'm introducing here that in these videos I have showed that how I started my passive income journey, and it's been 15th day and how the journey is going on. Today I am going to show you that in 15 days how much I have earned. So this is my first video, which was started 2 weeks ago, that I started my journey with Drip community. In Drip community I have two projects. So basically what Drip community do, it pays you 1% every day for a year. So if you are going to recompound, it can be more, but the maximum payout for only one time investment is 365. So if you invest $100, after a year you are going to get 365. So that's how it works. You don't have to do anything, you just have to buy the drips, which is a token from Drip community, and then you are going to get 1% every day. That's how Drip community works. So this is my first project. After that there is second project, which is from Drip community. It is Drip Garden. So in Drip Garden they are paying you 3% minimum per day, and for time to time it increase. So the maximum can be any amount, there is no limit, but the 3% is fixed amount, and you just have to buy plants, then it will pay you 3% every day. This is how it works. So this is Drip Garden, this is my second project, and this is my third project. This is Titano. This is huge. This is, you can say, a bomb. So it's really killing each and every one. It's really amazing. You cannot believe how it works. In this I started my journey. Here you can see I posted a video. This is my first. Here you can see on 11 February I started this journey with only $270, nothing much. And now here you can see in 15 days my balance increased to 416. It's not about the balance, the thing is my tokens are increased. I own 3090 Titano. This is how it works. So if you see my journey here, when I started this token Titano, the price was 0.15 and I just own 2300. So in 15 days I got 700 tokens Titano, 700 Titano. So every day they are going to pay you amount, but how much they are going to pay? For a year they are going to pay you this amount, 1,02,483% for a year. So let's calculate here that how much you are going to get paid. So let's say you have only 1000 Titano. How much you are going to pay? You have to pay 133 on today's price. And how much you are going to get paid after 30 days? You are going to pay this amount, 235, if the price remains same, but it's not about the price. You are going to be paid 1700 Titano. So this is how it works. So once you buy the Titano, it will automatically compound on every day, and they have multiple transaction systems, multiple income streams from where they are going to pay you. The thing is that you don't have to do anything, you just have to buy Titano and you have to stake it. Just leave it, it will grow every day. So I started my journey by just 2300 Titano, and now my Titano increased to 3090. So in 15 days I earned almost 800. 800 Titano I have earned. So this is really amazing. This is a blast. And one thing more, I am just sharing this because not I am looking for any referral commission, or I am sponsoring it, or I got any sponsorship. No, I am just testing out these projects and I am just sharing with you all. So I took all the risk. Whatever I earn, it is mine. Whatever I lost, it is mine. So completely, whatever amount I invest in it, it is completely belong to me. The thing is that whatever project you want to start, just make your own research and try to start it. But up to now, I have been looking and monitoring for this project. It's been more than 1 year, drip community, and they are doing really good. Whatever they are promising, they are fulfilling it. It's a really amazing project. So this is number one, drip Faucet, and this is drip garden. Drip Faucet pay you 1% every day, and drip garden will pay you 3% minimum per day, and Titano will increase 1,200 1,2483% for a year, and they are going to pay you 1.90. The best thing is that they are using compounding, that's why it will be this amount. It's really amazing. Okay, so this is third project, and I have another account which is my drip faucet. I have to connect my MetaMask. This is my second account. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, here we go again. So this is my second drip faucet account. I own 3.269 drips, and up to now I have earned 0.710. So 325 was invested is per today's amount, but this is not right, because when I started to buy the drip price was 140 150, but the because of Russia Ukraine war, the price of crypto are down, the market is down, therefore the price of the drip is decreased. So right now they have different price. It is my principal amount like 325, and up to now I have earned 70 USDT from this in just 15 days. And this is my second account for drip community. It is paying 3% every day. So from this account I have withdrawn $15. You can go back and watch my video that I have withdrawn my money from this, and it was just like instant, just click and it will be in your account. This is how it works. It's completely automated system. You don't have to wait for any manual approval. The thing is, I have earned $113 and I have withdrawn $15. So I have earned $163 up to now from drip garden, and this is really going good. Up to now everything is good. Now we are going to look after another. This is my favorite project. This is Pocket Pool, Pocket Network. In this, basically what they do, they are operating a manual things, because if you want to start this journey, you need to be a tech pro. You need to know how system works, how you can make a node. So basically I don't know much about it, that how to configure a node. Simply what I do, I just kept my money into their pool. So I have staked some amount in it. This is how it works. So this is the reporting. In it shows that how much Pocket Pool have earned up to now. They have this rewards. Every average reward per day per node is this, and how many active nodes are, totally stake amount, and total members. Up to now they have 2800 members they have staked in this pool, and I am one of them. That's the good thing. So here we can go and confirm your status, that how much you have earned. You can go to their link. Unfortunately I was busy with exams, so I could not save these links. So this is tranche number 21. This is the name of the node basically. So what you have to do, you just have to control F or command F if you are on Mac, and you have to search your username. My username is Wolverine. So this is my Wolverine, and up to now I have earned this reward 6, and after some reduction I'm going to get this. So this is in tranche 21, and this is growing very good, because if you will go to it, is actually Pocket is a real token, so you can deposit, you can withdraw at any time. It's not like there is not a complete a fantasy token which you cannot withdraw, which you can see. The thing is, it is a real project, so I value this more than anything. The good thing is that the price is decreased now. When I started it was 1.26, and now the price is decreased 0.8, so it is a very good time that you can start the node. You can buy from OKCoin, you can buy from Gate.io, and you can buy from Hobby, I think so. Yeah, Hobby. I used Hobby. Hobby was a really expensive one, so I don't recommend you to use this. Just forget about it. Go with Gate.io or OKCoin. Okay, and the price is good at the moment. You can go and buy now and try to maximize your staking in this. So this is the review. I hope that it will be a short review for my all 5 projects at the moment I am doing. And if you want to start, or if you have any query, just drop in the comment and I will get back to you. I will try my best to help you out. I am doing these passive income programs because I like to explore more ways to income. I tried freelancing, I tried affiliate marketing, I tried multiple things in my life. There is a complete book I can write on it. So one thing I will discuss it more, but the thing is that I have restarted this journey because I stopped this journey in 2016 or 2017. After that I was doing a very odd job, not an odd job but a regular job. So I was not satisfied with it. Up to now I am on the leave. The thing is that I am starting these projects to get the ways how the world is going on. Day by day everything is changing. There is 100% possibility that you can earn money just by doing nothing. Just go on your vacation, enjoy, just live your life, just put some money and it will work for you. This is how it works. Money earns money. That's the rule. So I hope you really like my video. If you don't, just put your critics, how which things I am missing, which should I improve. So this is my one of the videos. I hope that you will like, and I appreciate if you put any your feedback. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, just subscribe the channel, like my video and leave your comment. I will be really grateful. Thank you.